I remember discovering my soil was lifeless beneath the bark mulch. I thought mulch was helping, but it was smothering the soil, blocking air and life. Soil isn't just something to cover, it's a living ecosystem that needs to breathe. I tried a thin layer of homemade compost and soon the soil was alive, darker, richer, teeming with worms. That simple change began my journey of working with nature, not against it. Woody mulches like bark suppress weeds and retain moisture, but at a hidden cost. They create a barrier, slowing gas exchange and blocking sunlight, disrupting soil microbes. As they break down, they lock up nitrogen, starving your plants and causing yellowing or stunted growth. The soil beneath becomes compacted, discouraging earthworms and reducing water and airflow. Roots struggle and the garden's health declines. Thick mulch also shelters slugs and snails, leading to more pest damage. By moving away from heavy mulching, you improve soil health and reduce pest problems. It's a subtle shift, but it makes all the difference. The alternative is a living blanket, a thin, active layer of mature compost that feeds soil life directly. Unlike mulch, which suppresses, this approach activates and nourishes. Spread a fine, crumbly compost over the soil, just a centimetre or two. Water it in with a liquid feed like seaweed or comfrey tea to boost microbial activity. This simple recipe provides immediate food for bacteria, fungi and earthworms, the real gardeners. The living blanket kickstarts the soil's biological engine, building structure and cycling nutrients. Use homemade or quality peat-free compost, fully broken down. The liquid feed acts as a catalyst, waking up the soil community. Apply the compost thinly, then water with diluted feed. The effect is almost immediate. Nutrients move into the soil, microbes come alive, and plants respond. No need for thick mulch, just a living, breathing surface. This method is simple, effective, and transforms your soil fast. It's the foundation of a thriving garden. The living blanket method works wonders in garden beds, but it's transformative in containers. In pots, traditional mulch can cause waterlogging and nutrient depletion. Instead, apply a thin layer of compost every few weeks, followed by liquid feed. This mimics natural leaf litter, keeping potting mix alive and nutrient-rich. Plants become healthier, more robust, and more resistant to pests. Soil stays open and airy, roots thrive, and water retention improves without waterlogging. In garden beds, repeated use of the living blanket changes soil structure. Clay becomes workable, sand holds nutrients, and earthworm populations explode. Weeds are suppressed naturally by dense, healthy plant growth and active soil life. Over time, your soil becomes self-sustaining. Whether in beds or pots, this method builds resilience and reduces maintenance. The results speak for themselves. This system is a partnership between sunlight, warmth, and soil biology. The thin, living blanket lets the sun warm the soil, stimulating microbes and releasing nutrients. Plants grow stronger roots, feeding the soil life in return, a virtuous cycle. No need for synthetic fertilizers. Compost and natural liquid feeds provide all that's needed. Over time, your soil becomes richer, holds more water, and your plants thrive with less effort. You'll weed and water less, and your garden will largely care for itself. Start small, one bed or a few pots with compost and a natural feed. See soil as the living heart of your garden. Feed it, and it will reward you abundantly. This simple, regenerative method puts life back where it belongs, in the soil.